Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to take a screen capture of a document using your iPhone. So you already have a built-in document scanner on your iPhone and it's kind of hidden, so I wanted to walk you through the steps of how to use it. So when you go to Notes and you click the bottom right corner, the little pencil writing on paper, and then at the bottom of your screen you have a little camera button, and when we click on that it says Scan Documents, Take Photo, or Photo Library. We want to click Scan Documents, and then when we hold the phone above a document, you'll notice it turns yellow and then it captures that document, and we can scan another paper, or we can click Save and it gives us that scan right there on our screen. And then we can click the box with the arrow facing up, and if we click there we can email it from here to someone else, or we can copy it, or we can save it and upload it to Google Classroom from here. So I hope this was helpful to save a scanned document just using your iPhone.